Good morning, class, and welcome to Miss Fideli's English Language Arts class. So today we will be going over the first portion of our literary terms unit. So let me throw up the agenda for you guys. All right, we're going to start today with our brain teaser question like we always do. It's just a fun little riddle. It'll get your minds a little warmed up and kind of get the talkative juices out of your system, okay? After that, we are going to go through a literary terms presentation. So I've already created this. It's just going to be a little PowerPoint slide of 8 terms. Now, on these slides, I need you guys to have your flashcards out. And on the flashcard, on the blank side, you're going to write the term. And then on the lined side, you're going to write the definition. So as I go through, you'll go through your flashcards and create these for study purposes in the future, okay? After that, we're going to go through our passages activity. So for this, I'm going to pair you guys up into groups of 2 or 3, and I'm going to pass out a worksheet. On this worksheet, there will be 4 passages from our required reading materials. So whether it's Othello, Macbeth, whatever it may be, okay? And you are going to, in your groups, decide which literary term that we've gone over today is intertwined in that passage. So it could be, a 4-line passage, but only one of those lines I need you to really focus on. And you will just, on a piece of paper, write your entire group's names and put the passage or put the literary term you think it is. Okay? After those get turned in, we will get started on our group poster project. Now, this does require a presentation, but I don't expect us to get through all the presentations today, so no worries, don't panic. Basically, with this group poster project, I'll go over it more in detail later in class today, but you're going to get a poster board, and I'm going to assign you a literary term that we've discussed today. You are then going to write the term at the top of the poster, you're going to give its definition, and then provide an example you and your team come up with. You can add an illustration if you want, and when it comes to the presentations, it's basically going to be like you guys are teaching the term to the class. Okay? So let's get on with our little brain teaser here. There are 2 sons and 2 fathers going on a fishing trip, but there are only 3 people in total going on this trip. So how is that possible? You guys can talk this through for the next 30 seconds. I will come around and see what you guys come up with. I'll be right back. Okay, so before I reveal the answer, can anyone tell me what they think it is? Okay, right. 1 grandfather, 1 father, and 1 son. So these are both dads and these are both sons, okay? Good job, guys. So before we get going, I just want to show you guys the 8 terms that we will be going over today. So we're going to go over antagonist, hyperbole, personification, irony, foreshadow, parody, parable, and satire. Okay, so now I know that seems like a lot, but I promise we're going to take it step by step and take it very slow, okay? Now, before we dive into it, what do you guys think is the importance of getting to know lit terms? Can anyone tell me? Right, so there's a couple reasons. The first being knowing these terms and being able to identify them will actually give you guys a better understanding of what you are reading. We are going to be reading a lot of literature in this class, and not all of it is crazy exciting. I'm just going to be honest with you. But the more you can identify the terms, the more you can identify the message the author is trying to convey, which is always the point of the literature we are going through, okay? Another reason this can give you a better understanding is it can also help guide you through what you think may happen in the book and kind of make it a little bit more entertaining. So with that being said, you being able to see it in somebody else's work will actually make you better at reading and writing yourself. So if you can see how one author kind of utilizes these stronger terms and why it makes their book so compelling, you may be more inclined to use it in your own writing, therefore enhancing your writing. Additionally, it can help you analyze books a little bit deeper, and when it comes to our essay portions of class, that can really help you get higher grades and a better understanding of the book and the message itself. Okay? So let's get started, guys.